What if your Sacramento auto shop became an unstoppable marketing machine overnight? Imagine AI doing the heavy lifting while you focus on cars. Picture this, your shop buzzing with customers, orders flooding in, all thanks to America's Best Shop's AI-powered marketing system. But here's the twist. This isn't just automation, it's a revolution. AI predicting what your customers want before they do. Ads that feel personal, messages that hit right in the heart. No more guesswork, just results. Your competitors left in the dust. Visualize real-time dashboards lighting up with success, marketing campaigns adapting instantly like a mind reader. The future of auto shop management is here, powered by Genius AI, right in Sacramento. Feel the pulse of innovation transforming your business from ordinary to legendary. This system isn't just smart, it's electric with precision. Are you ready to shift gears and lead the pack? Or will you watch someone else take your spot? The choice is yours. Rev up your shop with AI or get left behind. Want to know how it works? Drop a comment and let's spark the revolution.